Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about JD.com Chinese shopping app. And in today's video, I will show you on how to identify best store so far in JD shopping app without any stress. So let's get started. But before we dive into tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure Lincoln 1688, Taoba or Pinduoduo or Idlefish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how to ship and import products from China using JD Chinese shopping app or any Chinese e-commerce app or website. So with that being said, let's get started. So like I said earlier, I'm going to show you on how to identify best store on JD shopping app. It is a very simple trick that you need to follow. Once you open up your JD shopping app, you can use this method to identify best store of any product. For instance, I'm interested in this particular shoe again, so I'm going to click on the product link. So having clicked on the product link, I will go ahead and click on here to proceed to the sales page of the store. Now we are here. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to proceed to the main store. Now take a look at this particular store right here. So this store here, they are 5-star rating store. So if I swipe this way and then you read detail about them right here. So this is about 180 returning customer, and this is indication of a good 5-star rating about the store right here. If I swipe this way, then you see number of followers the store have right there. So the store have about 130,000 followers right here. You can scroll down here and check on the detail about the store right here. So if you deal with any of their products right here, you buy product from a new store right here in JD shopping app. You can use this method to identify as many as possible legit store or identify real store in JD shopping app. You can click on here to open up detail about the store. So you have detail about the store. You can see their rating right here. You can see the returning customer, and also you can see the date at which the store start operation with JD shopping app. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks, so you can see it is a 5-star rating store. So it's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how to ship and import products from China using JD shopping app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.